Welcome back to VPR Auto, where we bring you the latest car reviews, insights, and everything you need to know before making your next big purchase. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Malibu, a car that continues to impress with its blend of style, comfort, and performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Malibu has undergone a subtle yet impactful redesign. Chevrolet has introduced sharper lines and a more aggressive front fascia that gives the Malibu a sportier stance. The front grille is now larger, with a black mesh pattern that adds a premium touch. LED headlights are sleekly integrated, extending toward the fenders, while the daytime running lights feature a distinct signature design that enhances visibility and modern appeal. The side profile maintains its elegant flow, with a gently sloping roofline that merges seamlessly into the rear. Speaking of the rear, the taillights have been revamped with LED elements that mirror the front's design language. A revised bumper and chrome accents further elevate the car's sophisticated look. The Malibu now comes in several new color options, including a striking metallic blue that demands attention. Wheel sizes range from 16 to 19 inches, with higher trims featuring sportier alloy designs that complement the Malibu's bold appearance. Moving inside, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers a refined and comfortable cabin designed to enhance both driver and passenger experience. The dashboard has been modernized with a cleaner layout and improved materials. A new 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, featuring Chevrolet's latest software with seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive, offering fast response times and customizable options. Below the touchscreen, the climate control system is neatly organized with physical buttons for easy adjustments. The Malibu's seating has been upgraded with premium cloth on the base models and available leather upholstery. On higher trims, both front seats are power adjustable with lumbar support, ensuring comfort during long drives. The rear seats provide ample legroom, making the Malibu an excellent choice for families or those who frequently travel with passengers. Additionally, Chevrolet has improved cabin insulation, reducing road noise for a quieter ride. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers a balanced driving experience. Under the hood, Chevrolet continues to offer the reliable 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces around 163 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which delivers smooth and efficient power delivery. The Malibu offers impressive fuel efficiency, averaging around 29 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and longer trips. For those seeking a bit more power, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine option may be available on higher trims, delivering roughly 250 horsepower and paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission for enhanced performance. The Malibu's suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and agility, providing a smooth ride while maintaining stability around corners. Steering is precise, and the overall handling feels confident, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Chevrolet has also prioritized safety in the 2025 Malibu. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims offer advanced options like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for improved visibility during parking and maneuvering. These features not only provide added peace of mind, but also make the Malibu a strong contender in the mid-size sedan segment. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu offers a competitive range that appeals to various budgets. The base LS trim starts around $26,000, making it an affordable yet well-equipped option. The mid-range RS trim, featuring sportier accents and upgraded features, is expected to be priced at around $28,500. For those seeking premium materials, advanced tech, and additional safety features, the LT trim sits at approximately $30,000. The range-topping Premier trim, which includes the powerful 2.0-liter engine, leather seating, and advanced driver assistance systems, is expected to start at around $34,000. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu continues to build on its reputation as a reliable and stylish mid-size